Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to have some soya bean kebab recipe, and you're going to love this ankasa actually. Very simple and tasty. You're going to love this. So please sit back, relax, and let's get to know this recipe. And if you know you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing for me, okay? Like this video, share, and click on the notification bell. Okay, so I have my soya beans soaked overnight. That is what you're supposed to do, and I've rinsed it very well. And so the next thing we are going to do is to blend it. And so I have my blend. I'm going to pour it in, and I'm going to add enough water to it and then blend it very smooth. So after blending, we are going to sieve it. Yes, you're going to sieve it very well. And then after sieving it, I'm going to put it on fire. I already have a video on how to make soya meat or tofu, and so you can also refer to that video. I'll leave the link there for more details. Okay, so I will rinse it with more water to get all the milk and the juice out. Yes, and so I am straining it again, sieving it again for the second time. We want to get it very smooth. Okay, and so after this, the next thing we are going to do is to put it on fire and let it boil. So this is it. We are going to take it to fire, and while it's boiling, this is the lemon we are going to use. I use 2 of this. So when it's hot like this, we'll just squeeze the lemon juice. So this is the lemon juice, and then make sure that you take the seeds from the lemon juice. And then we are going to add it to the soya milk on fire. So this is it. We are going to add it little by little everywhere, and then we'll stir it together and then leave it on fire for it to boil and coagulate very well. There are 2 methods. Sometimes when it's hot, you can take it off fire, and then when it boils a bit, you can take it off fire, let it cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, then you add your lemon or your coagulant to it. So this is it. The water is clear. When the water is clear like this, then it's okay, everything is formed. So we are taking the meat out. Yes, and so after this, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my tofu mold or my soya meat mold, and then I'm going to line it with my cloth, either napkin, cheesecloth, or anything that can help you squeeze it. Pour it in, and then I'm going to add salt and spices to it. Now you can decide to do it like that without adding salt and spices. You can also decide to add only salt without the spices. But when I do it this way, it tastes so good. And I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure that you mix it very well. And my tofu mold too, I will place it in serving tray because a lot of water will be draining and you wouldn't want to wet the place. So just taking something from it. Okay, so you're going to cover this way and then cover the other side, fold it on top, and then we'll place the tofu mold cover on it, and then place something heavy on it and let the water squeeze very well, every liquid in it to come out. And so leave it there. So this is tomato, garlic, ginger, bell pepper, onion, and chili pepper. We are going to blend everything. We have it on fire, and we are going to let it cook very well, adding our seasoning and salt to it, and let it cook. You can do it without the tomato, it will still be great. And so at this point, you are going to set it aside. It's okay, and we are checking on our tofu so far. Okay, and now it has reduced. The water, everything is out, so we have it well formed. So we are going to take the meat out. Please subscribe for me, like and share this video, leave a comment for me. And I'm going to slice it into the size and shape. Normally we do it in a cube form. So I'm going to chop them into cube form. Just go for the size that you are okay with. Do you get it? Okay. Please do well to like this video, comment for me, leave a comment, share for me, and subscribe and click on the notification bell. It helps. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notification. And so after cutting them into the sizes that you want, the next thing is to fry them. Yes, so we are frying. When you get a golden brown color, then it's okay. It's okay. So we'll take everything out. Okay, so this is our fried tofu or fried soya meat. We are going to add it to the sauce that we made. We're going to add it to the sauce and then let it cook and soak it very, very, very well. Yes, let it soak it and become a bit tender. And get the sauce in it very, very well. Very necessary. So cover and give it time for it to cook. Okay, so we are checking on it again, and at this point what you're going to do is we are okay. So we'll take it off fire and let it cool. So I have with me my tofu, my bell pepper, and then onion cut into shapes that I want, and I'm going to use this suya stick. And so what I do is when I take one of the soya meats, then I will use it to take one bell pepper. Then the next thing will be another soya meat. Another soya meat. My camera went off. So one soya meat, one onion. I'll add bell pepper to it. Then I will add another soya meat to it, and then add onion also to it, and that will be it. So you can make it 4-4, but I decided to make it 3-3. You can also decide to use toothpick if you don't have those sticks. Yes, so like this. Plus onion. Okay, I'm going to add another one. This one I made it 2-2 because the stick is very small. So something like this, you see. So we are going to do everything like that. Please subscribe for me, share and leave a comment for me. And so this is the toothpick one. And this is the kebab stick one. So we have our kebab pepper or spices. I have a video there on how to make it. And so what you are going to do is I've poured everything into my plate. Just apply it on it. And so you can check the description box or the comment section for a link on how to make this kebab pepper or kebab spices. Very nice and tasty. So just apply everything on it and then arrange it on your rack. And then we are going to take it to the oven for about 10 minutes. Yes, 5 to 10 minutes. And that'll be okay. I'm using a gas oven, so I'll set it on a medium heat. Yes, and that'll be okay. And this is the toothpick one. Yes, so we'll do all that and then now we'll take it to the oven. Yes, so and so we are going to take it to the oven to grill it. Yes, grill it a bit. Okay, so this is it from the oven. well grilled, you see. Well grilled. The toothpick one. And so this is it. Yeah, give it a try, you will love it. And so this is our soya meat kebab, or chinchinga, or suya. Yes, so give this a try, you will not regret it. The taste was awesome. The toothpick one, oh Charlie, you will love it. And so the toothpick one was an order for someone, and I'm packaging it for my clients. Yes. Oh, and they really enjoyed it. They gave a testimony. They loved it. I just added a bit of spring onions, and that was it. Oh, that is it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.